World's most amazing natural wonders. World's most amazing natural wonders. World's amazing natural wonders / In 2020, a group of scientists studying the Great Barrier Reef discovered a massive coral structure taller than the Empire State Building. This underwater skyscraper, hidden beneath the waves for thousands of years, reminds us just how extraordinary our planet's natural wonders can be. Today, let's explore some of the world's most breathtaking natural marvels, places that redefine what we think is possible in nature. The Grand Canyon, USA. Starting right here in the United States, the Grand Canyon in Arizona is one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, this massive chasm stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep. What's fascinating about the Grand Canyon is its geological timeline. Layers of rock reveal nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history, making it a living textbook for geologists. Beyond its scientific significance, the Grand Canyon is a place of immense beauty. Sunrise and sunset create a kaleidoscope of colors across its rugged cliffs, and visitors often describe the view as almost otherworldly. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to stand on the edge of time itself, the Grand Canyon offers just that. Mount Everest, Nepal/China. Towering at 29,032 feet above sea level, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. Located in the Himalayas, it's not just a physical challenge, but a spiritual symbol for many. The Sherpa communities who live in its shadow refer to it as Komolungma, or Goddess Mother of the World. Climbing Everest is a feat few achieve, but even for those who don't attempt the ascent, its presence is awe-inspiring. The mountain's icy peaks and the surrounding valleys create an unforgettable landscape. Its status as a natural wonder isn't just about height. It's a testament to the sheer power of tectonic forces shaping our planet. The Northern Lights, Arctic regions. Imagine standing under a night sky that comes alive with swirling colors of green, purple, and pink. The Northern Lights, or aurora borealis, are a natural light display caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. This phenomenon is best seen in Arctic regions like Alaska, Canada, Norway, and Iceland. What makes the Northern Lights so captivating is their unpredictability. No two displays are ever the same, and they feel like nature's version of an abstract painting. For many, witnessing the auroras is a bucket list experience, offering a glimpse into the cosmic dance between our planet and the sun. Iguazu Falls, Argentina/Brazil. Straddling the border between Argentina and Brazil, Iguazu Falls is the world's largest waterfall system. Comprising 275 individual cascades, the falls stretch nearly 2 miles wide. The thunderous roar of the water plunging into the Iguazu River can be heard from miles away, and the spray creates rainbows that shimmer in the sunlight. One of the most awe-inspiring sections is the Devil's Throat, a U-shaped chasm where the water crashes with incredible force. Iguazu Falls is a vivid reminder of nature's raw power and beauty. Eleanor Roosevelt reportedly exclaimed, "Poor Niagara," upon seeing it, emphasizing its scale and magnificence. The Amazon rainforest, South America. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, spans over 2.1 million square miles across 9 countries. It's home to an estimated 10% of the planet's species, including jaguars, anacondas, and vibrant macaws. But the Amazon is more than just a biodiversity hotspot. It's also critical for regulating the Earth's climate. Walking through the dense foliage of the Amazon is like stepping into another world. The air is thick with humidity, the sounds of chirping birds and buzzing insects surround you, and ancient trees tower overhead. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that's as vital as it is beautiful. Yellowstone National Park, USA. America's first national park, Yellowstone, is a geothermal wonderland. Located primarily in Wyoming, it sits atop a massive volcanic hotspot. The park is famous for its geysers, especially Old Faithful, which erupts with incredible precision. Then there are the vibrant colors of Grand Prismatic Spring, the largest hot spring in the U.S. Yellowstone is also home to an abundance of wildlife, from grizzly bears to herds of bison. Its dynamic landscape, spanning lush valleys, steaming geysers, and rugged mountains, makes it a natural wonder that offers something for everyone. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Stretching over 1,400 miles off the coast of Australia, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world. It's so vast that it's visible from space. The reef is home to thousands of marine species, including sea turtles, clownfish, and reef sharks. Snorkeling or diving in the reef is like entering an underwater paradise. The vibrant corals and teeming marine life create a spectacle that's unmatched anywhere else on Earth. However, the reef is under threat from climate change, making it a sobering reminder of the need to protect our planet's natural treasures. Antelope Canyon, USA. Located in Arizona, Antelope Canyon is a slot canyon famous for its stunning light beams and smooth, wave-like rock formations. Over thousands of years, flash floods carved the sandstone into twisting corridors that glow with shades of orange, red, and gold. Walking through Antelope Canyon feels like stepping into a natural cathedral. The interplay of light and shadow creates an ever-changing, mesmerizing experience. It's a photographer's dream and a testament to the artistry of water and time. Conclusion. Our world is filled with wonders that defy imagination, from towering mountains and cascading waterfalls to shimmering lights in the night sky. These natural marvels remind us of the beauty, power, and fragility of our planet. Whether you're gazing at the northern lights, walking through the Amazon, or standing on the edge of the Grand Canyon, these experiences leave us in awe of the incredible planet we call home.